Hello everyone, welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In this video, I'll show you how to design a welding fixture step by step using real NAAMS components. What the standard is and why it's so widely used in automotive tooling, check out my dedicated NAAMS overview video. The link is in the description. At the top right of the screen, you'll see two parts: a bracket and a plate. Just below, you can see these same parts already welded together as a finished assembly. On the left side, you'll see the welding fixture that I modeled in SolidWorks using NAAMS standard components. First, we'll see how this fixture actually works in practice, and then we'll break down the main elements. Let's get started. I'll bring the bracket and the plate into the fixture, position them using NAAMS locators, and show you exactly how the parts are held, clamped, and prepared for welding. Now let me show you how this welding fixture actually works. First, we load the bracket into position. Then add the plate on top in the correct orientation. Two power clamps lock the plate firmly against the bracket, and the parts are ready to weld. After the welds are completed, the assembly is fully secured and we can easily remove the finished welded structure from the fixture. Then we'll switch to the opposite side view so you can clearly see how everything is supported and clamped. Next, I'll walk you through the main components of this welding fixture, so you can understand the logic behind the design and apply it in your own SolidWorks projects. Now let's break down the NAAMS components used in this model. We'll start with the riser angle bracket, which raises our locating and clamping elements to the correct working height. In this fixture, I'm using an ARA251M riser angle bracket, where dimension A is 250 millimeters. A is the dimension from the base of the bracket to the dowel holes. The actual size you choose will always depend on your part geometry, stack up, and any access or clearance requirements in your project. On the right side of the screen, you can see the full specification and dimensions for this riser angle bracket. Now let's take a look at the locating pin assembly used in this fixture. What is the purpose of a locating pin in a welding fixture NAAMS? Locating pins in a NAAMS welding fixture are used to precisely position and align parts during the welding process, ensuring accurate and consistent assembly. They help maintain the correct orientation of components, reducing errors and improving the quality of the final product. Okay, for this unit, I'm using an 1E assembly block as the base. The assembly includes an APR030M locating pin retainer, an ALB112M L-block, plus a set of ASH402 4-slot shims and a 5mm spacer. The ASH402 shim pack gives us adjustment along two perpendicular axes, so we can fine-tune the pin position and dial in the part location accurately in the real fixture. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this breakdown, make sure to like the video and leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss new SolidWorks or NAAMS videos every week. Let's continue. In this fixture, I'm using 2 rotating arm power clamp cylinders, which lock the parts securely in place during welding. The clamp arm also has a shim pack, giving us vertical adjustment so we can fine-tune the clamping height. You'll also notice 2 sensors that confirm the presence of both components, the plate and the bracket, so the operator never forgets to load any part before welding. I've added 2 rough locators as well to guide the parts into position quickly and repeatably, making loading much easier. Well, all this equipment is mounted on a plate that I modeled to manufacture a welding fixture in accordance with the NAAMS standard. Thanks for watching the 3D Mechanical Design channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.